Hey there, health enthusiast. Ready to take a trip down the fascinating rabbit hole of life and genes? Today, we are breaking down some of the mind boggling insights on how life works. So, let's get started. Okay, so picture this. Scientists have been singing the same old tune, telling us that our bodies are like machines and genes are the master codes. But hold up, it's way more complicated than that. Remember when they mapped out the human genome in probably 2001, which refers to the expectations surrounding the completion of Human Genome Project? The Human Genome Project was the international scientific research project that aimed to sequence and map the entire human genome, which is the complete set of DNA in a human organism. In 2001, scientists successfully completed the first draft of human genome, revealing the sequences of DNA bases that make up our genes. This was a monumental achievement and was anticipated to provide a comprehensive understanding of the genetic instruction that govern human development and functions. Many people at that time believed that decoding the human genome would serve as an instruction manual for the life, unblocking the secrets to various diseases and leading to revolutionary advancement in medicine and biology. However, as the subsequent researches have shown that the relationship between genes and traits of diseases is far more complex than initially thought. The completion of Human Genome Project marked a significant milestone in genetics and molecular biology, but it also turns out that it's not a blueprint at all. Most genes aren't dedicating specific functions like we thought. Instead, their activity is like a wild party influenced by everything from the diet to the environment. And let's not even get started on the idea that genes cause specific traits or diseases. Our bodies are like a rock star. They keep jamming even if a few band members take a break. Take the heart for instance. It can still groove to the beat even if a specific gene decides to play hooky. Apparently, many proteins are like the free spirits with constantly changing shapes. It's not a messy design, it's essential features for these versatile communicators. They switch roles faster than a Bollywood actor changes outfits. Well, what about evolution? Classical views of evolution should be questioned because evolution is often regarded as a slow affair of letting random mutations change the one amino acid from the other and seeing what effect it produces. But in fact, proteins are typically made up of several sections called modules. Reshuffling, duplicating, and tinkering with these modules is a common way to produce a useful new protein. Then the question arises, what makes us alive? It's not just about genes, it's about the agency, the power to make things happen. Genes and proteins don't have goals, but you and I sure do. Even plants and bacteria are making life choices on a simpler scale. We are on the brink of a revolution in understanding life, as science is wild and it's a surprise every time you turn around the corner. You might wonder why I'm discussing these with you today. Because understanding the revelations is not just a scientific affair, it's your backstage pass to a healthier and more informed life. It breaks down a myth that our genes are the puppet masters pulling all the strings. Knowing that genes aren't the sole dictators of our health and empowers you to take the change. It's like realizing that you have more control over your health narrative than you actually thought. So, with the spotlight on how genes respond to the external factors like what we eat and our environment, it's a wake up call for the importance of a balanced diet lifestyle. Your genes aren't fixed codes, they are adaptable dancers influenced by your choice. So, the extra servings of veggies and a jog around the block, your genes are cheering for it. And understanding that disease aren't just written in our genetic code, sure, gene plays a role, but it's like being a part of a bigger orchestra. Diseases like cardiovascular issues or cancers or even diabetes are more about cellular processes going haywire. So, by understanding that diseases are not just a pre-written stories in our genes but are influenced by how our cells behave is a revelation. By focusing on holistic health, mentally, physically, and emotionally, you are not just preventing diseases but investing in your health now to save big later. The importance of a paradigm shift in healthcare. Instead of waiting for a health crisis, embracing these insights means you're proactively managing your well being. It's about becoming the hero of your health story, making informed choices, and rewriting the scripts. So, these insights aren't just for the lab coats, they are for you, the everyday hero, navigating the maze of health. It's about realizing that your choices matter, that your genes are cheering for an extra dose of self care. And if you found this journey as mind blowing as I did, hit the like button. Subscribe for more health wisdom and share this video with the fellow health enthusiasts. Together, let's make the How Life Works revelation a mantra for a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.